I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop Google Chrome from opening PDFs. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome web browser on your computer. Click the vertical ellipses at the top of this screen to open a menu, and then click Settings in this menu. Step 2. Make sure Privacy and Security is selected in the menu on the left side of the screen, and then click Site Settings on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Navigate down to the Additional Content Settings section and then click PDF Documents. Step 4. Find the Default Behavior section and then click to select Download PDFs. Going forward, clicking PDFs will download them to your device rather than open them for viewing. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial